Background of Beowulf. Beowulf is the oldest surviving epic in the English language, written between the 8th and 11th centuries in Old English. Though part of Anglo-Saxon literature, its story is set in Scandinavia, reflecting the heroic warrior culture of the time. It was passed down orally before being written. The story of Beowulf. 1. Beowulf versus Grendel. The Danish king Hrothgar's Grand Mead Hall, Heorot, is terrorized by Grendel, a monstrous creature. Beowulf, a warrior from Geatland, Sweden, arrives to help. In a fierce battle, he tears off Grendel's arm, fatally wounding him. 2. Beowulf versus Grendel's mother. Grendel's mother seeks revenge, attacking Heorot. Beowulf follows her to her underwater lair and kills her with a magical sword. He returns victorious and is rewarded by Hrothgar. 3. Beowulf versus the dragon. Years later, Beowulf becomes king of the Geats. A fire-breathing dragon threatens his kingdom. Though old, Beowulf fights bravely but is fatally wounded. He kills the dragon with the help of his loyal warrior Wiglaf. Before dying, Beowulf instructs his people to build a mighty funeral mound in his honor. The poem ends with the Geats mourning their great hero. Legacy of Beowulf. The poem explores heroism, fate, and mortality, showing that even great warriors must face death. Beowulf remains a key work of literature, influencing countless stories and epics.